When you spend 17 years in the field after cutting your teeth as a nuclear power electrician, you stop looking at shiny brochures and start looking at how a machine is actually built. I've seen what happens when high voltage components meet the real world, and today we're pitting two heavy hitters against each other: the Carrier Comfort 26-CA4 and the Ruud Endeavor RA14AY. Both of these are solid entry-level ducted split systems, but they take very different approaches to keeping your house cool and your electrical bill manageable. Let's look at the armor first. The Carrier 26-CA4 uses a wire guard to protect that condenser coil. Now, in a perfect world, that's fine for airflow, but in the field, it leaves your soft aluminum fins wide open to hail, stray rocks from the lawnmower, or the neighbor's dog. Ruud takes the win here with their louvered coil panels. Those steel slats are like a suit of armor. They let the air in, but keep the damage out, which is exactly what I want to see for long-term reliability. On the technical side, both units are pushing a 14.3 SEER 2 efficiency rating. In my world, SEER is just one part of the story. Both of these use single-stage compressors, meaning they are either 100% on or 100% off. As a former Sparky, I look at the inrush current, that massive spike of electricity every time the unit kicks on. Without the variable speed or two-speed tech found in higher tiers, these units hit the grid hard. You're going to hear that thump when they start, but it's a proven, simple design that's easy to fix when things go sideways. Now, let's talk brass tacks, the price. For the equipment alone, you're looking at roughly $3,250 for the Carrier 26-CA4. The Ruud RA14AY is a bit easier on the wallet, coming in around $2,235 for the condenser. When you factor in a professional installation, the Carrier will typically set you back between $4,600 and $8,000, depending on your ductwork. The Ruud usually lands between $3,000 and $7,200. You're paying a premium for the Carrier nameplate, but the data shows you're getting similar performance for more money. Before I give you the verdict, here's a bit of field-tested advice. I don't care how much you spend on the unit. If you don't clean that condenser coil once a year, you're killing your compressor. Dust and cottonwood act like a blanket, trapping heat and forcing those electrical components to run hotter than they were ever designed for. Keep it clean and it'll keep you cool. Looking at the warranty, it's a stalemate on the surface. Both offer 10 years on the compressor and 10 years on parts. However, neither of these basic tier models includes a unit replacement warranty, meaning if the compressor dies, you're just getting a new part, not a whole new outdoor unit. So, who wins? For my money, the winner is the Ruud RA14A. From a technician's perspective, the louvered coil protection is a massive advantage over Carrier's wire guard for real-world durability. When you combine that superior physical protection with a significantly lower price point for the exact same SEER 2 efficiency and warranty terms, Ruud provides the better value proposition for your bottom line. Shop like a pro and use the head-to-head tool on the HVAC for Beginners website to see how these brands stack up before you sign that contract.